Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Burger, whose price stands at the $2.073 mark. And here on TradingView the market is up by 36.14%. We have been seeing a massive breakout to the upper side, and in this video I want to give the key scenarios that I expect to play out, also the targets for that breakout to the upper side, and also a recap of what has been happening on this chart. So I'll kickstart the video by giving the recap of what has been happening on this chart. I expected the price of Burger to break above this key area of resistance, and once we see that breakout to the upper side, I expected us to get into that yellow target up there, which is at around the $4 mark, which I was basing it on the trend based Fibonacci's, but we did not manage to break above that key area of resistance. We got rejected, and that move has been playing out. We lost key areas of supports, and we continued pushing the price of Burger to the lower side to around the $1.51 mark, where we have a key area of support, and that key area of support has given us support, and we are seeing that massive pump to the upper side. We also had this chart pattern over here, which also indicated that Burger was just about to continue unlocking even lower prices. We had formed this double top, and this pattern normally breaks to the lower side, having the target area for that breakout as the height of the neckline. And you can see, using this trend line, that gives us a target area at around the $1.51 mark, which perfectly matches with our key area of support. Burger has respected all that, and we are seeing a very nice bounce to the upper side. I also have this yellow target that is here on the screen. So if I zoom out on this chart so that we can get to see how I came up with that yellow target, if I pull out the fibs from this low down here to that high up there, that gives us a target area within this yellow target, which is the minimum that we expected this wave to the upper side to retrace to. And Burger has respected the Fibonacci's by coming down into this yellow target, and this is the area within which I expected us to see a reversal to the upper side, and that is the move that is playing out here. So that's a proof that technical analysis works and TA and Fibonacci's work. If I jump to the key scenarios that I expect us to see over here, at the moment we are facing a key area of resistance between the $2 mark and the $2.19 mark, and if we continue pushing the price of Burger to the upper side and we manage to break above that key area of resistance, once we see a 4-hour candlestick close above that key area of resistance, then I expect us to see a retest, maybe on the lower time frames. We can also see it here on the 4-hour chart, and once that happens, then we can continue pushing to the upper side to our next key area of resistance at around the $3 mark and the $2.827 mark. That is the minimum that I expect that breakout to the upper side to give us. So once we manage to break and close a candlestick above this key area of resistance, this move to the upper side to around the $3 mark is very possible. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And once we see a retest, then my next target area for that breakout will be at around the $3 mark. It's also possible that Burger might not be able to continue pushing to the upper side, and we get rejected within this key area of resistance. And once that happens, and we close at a 4-hour candlestick below that key area of resistance, it's possible that we might have a little bit of a pullback to the lower side to our next key area of support at around the $1.84 mark, and from there maybe we might find support and find a very nice bounce to the upper side, pushing back to around the $3 mark. And if we continue breaking above these key areas of resistance and we get to around the $3.41 mark, then once we break above that key area of resistance, I expect us to get back into this yellow target that I have up here at around the $4 mark as a minimum once we break above this key area of resistance at around the $3.4 mark. So let's be patient and see how that plays out to the upper side. If I also take a look at the indicators, Here on the 4-hour RSI, we are getting into the overbought region, and that would mean soon we might see a little bit of a reversal on the charts to try and create room for us to continue pushing to the upper side, or we can continue pushing to the upper side on the RSI and get into the overbought region. So both scenarios can play out, so let's be patient and see how that plays out. On the MACD, we have printed a bullish cross. We are also seeing an increase in volume here on the MACD, and that might imply we might continue pushing the price of Burger to the upper side and manage to break above this key area of resistance. So for now, let's be patient and see whether Burger is going to manage to break above this key area of resistance. And once we see a retest, if that plays out, then someone might consider getting in a trade to the upper side once you see a retest. And that's not financial advice, so don't buy, hold, or sell any crypto without doing your own research and analysis, and I'll keep you updated on any movement that plays out.